Hi, I'm Anna. You know, AI can generate everything, like this video. Today I'll show you how to achieve the same AI animation video just a few clicks. So watch the video until the end and don't miss any steps to achieve the same results.
Go to the Credo AI website and create a new account if you don't already have one. Log into your Credo AI account. Navigate to the AI tool menu, then select the AI text dubbing option. Copy and paste your video script into the text content field. Select the desired character tone. Click the Confirm button to generate the audio. Once the audio is generated, you should have the option to download the audio file. Go to Adobe Express and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your Adobe Express account. Choose your avatar character and customize the background. Adjust the video ratio by clicking the Size menu. Enable Speech option. Click the Browse menu to upload the audio file you generated using Credo AI. Wait for Adobe Express to process your character animation. Once the processing is complete, you can preview the result to ensure everything looks good.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
If you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to download your talking avatar video.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next video. Bye.